Welcome to PinkyGalTravels. I'm Maria and this is Corrado. We absolutely love cruising and we're so excited to share our adventures with you. Together we've been on over 30 cruises across almost all the major cruise lines. At first we just shared our photos and videos with friends and family, but they loved them so much they encouraged us to start vlogging, and that's how PinkyGalTravels began. On our channel, you'll find cruise reviews, ship tours, and honest tips to help you plan your vacation. From the food and entertainment to the hidden gems on board and in port, we share it all. Whether you're planning your first cruise or you've already sailed the seas, our goal is to bring you along with us, to laugh, to discover new places, and to make every voyage unforgettable. So thank you for stopping by and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and come along as we sail together. This is PinkyGalTravels. Let's cruise.